Welcome to Beyond the Massage Table, where we explore the healing power of touch, self-care, and wellness. Today, we're diving into something more than relaxation. We're talking about massage therapy, a practice that's been around for thousands of years and still remains one of the most powerful tools for restoring balance in both body and mind. Massage isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity for many who are overwhelmed, burnt out, and living in a go-go-go world. From ancient Chinese medicine to Egyptian tombs, massage has always been recognized for its healing potential. But in our modern lives, it's not just about healing, it's about surviving the daily demands of work, stress, and physical strain. Think about it. When was the last time your body truly felt at ease? Massage works wonders on the musculoskeletal system. It reduces muscle tension, improves circulation, increases flexibility, boosts lymphatic flow, helping to remove toxins, relieves chronic pain, including back, neck, and joint discomfort. It's not just for athletes or spa goers. Massage therapy is for anyone who has a body, and bodies carry stress, trauma, and tension in ways we don't even notice until we feel the release. Here's what's fascinating. Massage changes your brain chemistry. It lowers cortisol, the stress hormone. It increases serotonin and dopamine, the feel-good chemicals that regulate mood and sleep. The result? You feel calmer, more focused, emotionally grounded. For people struggling with anxiety, depression, or insomnia, massage becomes a powerful drug-free support system. Sometimes the body remembers stress long after the mind has moved on. That's where massage steps in, helping us let go physically and emotionally. Massage isn't just about fixing something when it's broken. It's about preventing problems before they even start. Regular massage therapy can help. Prevent injuries, reduce the frequency of headaches and migraines, strengthen immune function, improve posture and breathing, slow down the physical effects of aging. In a world where we're constantly pouring into others, this is your reminder. You deserve to refill your own cup. Massage also fosters connection between couples, caregivers and patients, mothers and children. It's a language without words, a reminder that healing often starts with presence, just being still, being cared for, and being seen. Whether it's therapeutic, medical, or simply nurturing, massage therapy offers a human connection we all deeply crave, especially in an increasingly digital world. So, the next time you think massage is just a luxury, remember, it's not selfish, it's self-preservation. Massage is one of the few things in life that gives you immediate results and lasting benefits. Make it a part of your routine, make it a part of your healing. Because you're worth it, mind, body, and soul. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more wellness wisdom. And tell us, when was your last massage? Let's keep the conversation going. Beyond the Massage Table.